Welcome to Best Pickup.
10 Best Gallon Air Compressor New Model 2021. Top 10. 10. California Air Tools 10020 Shad Ultra Quiet and Oil-Free 2.0 horsepower, 10.0 gallons. Steel tank air compressor with auto drain valve. Ultra quiet, only 70 decibels, oil-free pump for less maintenance and costs. 10. 0-gallon steel tank, powerful 2.0 horsepower, rated/running, motor, 530 CFM at 90 psi. Top 9. 9. California Air Tools 8010 SPC Ultra Quiet and Oil-Free 1 horsepower steel tank air compressor and soundproof cabinet, 8-gallon. Ultra quiet, only 40 decibels, oil-free pump for less maintenance and costs, 8.0-gallon steel tank, soundproof steel cabinet with swivel wheels, 3.00 CFM at 90 psi, 4.00 CFM at 40 psi. Top 8. 8. California Air Tools 20020 Ultra Quiet and Oil-Free Air Compressor 2.0 horsepower, 20.0 gallons. Steel tank air compressor. Ultra quiet, only 70 decibels, oil-free pump for less maintenance and costs, 20. 0-gallon steel tank with wheels, powerful 2.0 horsepower, rated/running, motor, 530 CFM at 90 psi. Top 7. 7. HPDAVV Rotary Screw Air Compressor 7.5 horsepower/5.5 kW, 29-25 CFM at 125-150 psi, 230V/1 phase/60 Hz, variable speed drive, NPT1/2 industrial air compress system with built-in oil separator, DAC5. Specification power, 7.5 horsepower/5.5 kW. Voltage, input voltage, volt per Hertz, 230V/60 Hz. Electrical, phase, 1 pH. Airflow, 29-25 CFM. Output pipe diameter, G1/2 NPT1/2. Max working pressure, 125 to 150 psi/8 to 10 bar. Full load amps, 24, motor RPM, 3600. 1 random oil filter for free. VSD compressor, reduce the overall average operating pressure. Maintain the nest pressure section. Energy saving, highly efficiency and energy saving. The VSD compressor allows you to save operating cost when your application does not require the compressor's full capacity. The features or VSD compressor is that will save energy consumption needed during loading process and energy consumption under constant voltage. Stable and durable HPDAVV compressors provide the cleaner air that improves reliability, avoids costly downtime and safeguards your products. Top 6. 6. HPDAVV Total Rotary Screw Air Compressor with Tank and Refrigerated Dryer, 10 horsepower/7.5 kW, 40 CFM/150 psi, 460 V/3-phase/60 Hz-80 gallon, magnetic variable speed drive. Parameters: power, 10 horsepower/7.5 kW. Voltage, input voltage, volt per Hertz, 460 V/60 Hz. Electrical, phase, 3 pH. Airflow, 39-35 CFM. Max working pressure, 125 to 150 psi/8 to 10 bar. Full load amps, 24. 1 random precision filter for free. Reliable and efficiency air cooling belt driven fixed speed all-in-one compressor with air dryer and gallon tank. Spin on air oil separator. Easy for maintenance. All components are easily accessible for fast easy maintenance. Annual maintenance operations only include changing the filters and oil at predetermined intervals. Oil and separator filters are spin-on style. Inexpensive parts and oil combine with long operating intervals to deliver significant savings over the life of the machine. Stable and durable spin-on air oil separator is an integrated separator with element and its own housing. It offers an easy and quick replacing solution for maintenance of air compressors. It significantly reduces oil content of compressed air and return the filtered oil to compressor air and Top 5. 5. HPDAVV gas-driven piston air compressor, 13 horsepower, 1 stage, 30 gallons tank, 43.5 CFM with max 125 psi, 420 cc's engine, for service trucks, fit for Ford F-150 truck bed. Specification: power, 13 horsepower/10 kW, engine, Lanson 420 cc's 3 cylinders gas engine. Airflow, 43.5 CFM, max working pressure, 125 psi/8.61 bar, pump, 2-stage, power by gasoline, using special wear-resistant, the high temperature of piston rings to extend the replacement of ring more than 8,000 hours. Powerful cast iron pump, big horsepower for using in a metal cover for protecting the belt and wheels. Mounting to a truck bed, easily mounts in truck or service vehicle. This product are designed exclusively for the heavy-duty needs of the mechanic shop, livestock operation and service truck. The 2-stage, cast iron, industrial air compressors work hard for serious industrial auto body and agricultural use. Equipped with an iron construction with cast cylinder sleeves, this pump head is designed for a long-time use and is easy for maintenance. Multiple applications. The air compressor pump is widely used for Top 4. 4. Makita MAC 5501G 5.5 horsepower gas air compressor. V-twin style pump runs cooler and provides 12.5 CFM at 100 psi. Powerful Honda GX164-stroke engine for increased performance and superior reliability. 10-gallon twin tanks provide air supply to multiple nailers. Cast iron pump with big bore cylinder and piston is engineered to provide faster recovery time for improved performance. Industrial grade recoil starter with ergonomic grip and recoil rope designed for faster, easier starts. Power source type, gas powered. Top 3. 3. HPDMC gas-driven piston air compressor, 6.5 horsepower, 1 stage, 20 gallons ASME tank, 18 CFM with max 125 psi, fit for PET certified gasoline engine, handle and wheel, horizontal portable heavy-duty compressor. Specification: power, 6.5 horsepower engine, power by PET certified 420 cc's 3 cylinders gas engine. Airflow, 18 CFM, max working pressure, 125 psi/8 bar pump, 1-stage, using special wear-resistant, quality cast iron 1-stage compressor. Keep your air-powered tools running reliably. This wheelbarrow air compressor. Featuring a convenient wheelbarrow design for ideal portability, this 9-gallon air compressor is perfect for construction sites and homes. Durable steel belt guard, durable cast iron cylinder and frame, protective enclosed belt guard and manual overload motor protection provide excellent longevity. Easily accessible side drain valve and an automatic start-stop pressure switch control provides a superior user experience. Multiple applications. The air compressor pump is widely used for chemical industry, light industry, textile, food processing, health. Top 2. HPDAVV rotary screw compressor, 30 horsepower/22 kW, 219-198 CFM/125-150 PSI, 230 and 460 dual voltages/3-phase, 80x 2-gallon, industrial air compress system with built-in oil separator. Specification: power 30 horsepower/22 kW, voltage, input voltage, volt per hertz, 230-460 V/60 Hz, electrical, phase, 3 pH, airflow, 219-198 CFM, output pipe diameter, NPT 1 1/2, max working pressure, 125 to 150 psi/8 to 10 bar. Built-in oil separator. Premium components ensures durability with constant efficiency, designed for industrial applications. Economical operation is guaranteed. 1 random precision filter for free. Premium rotary air system. HPDAVV rotary screw compressors are equipped with easy-to-use, robust and long-lasting microprocessor controllers. Premium filtration and separation provide high-quality air for industrial users, explicitly developed for high loads within industrial applications. Serviceability. Service-friendly design implemented using a layout that provides instant access to all consumable items, with quick release and hints. Top 1. HPDAVV 10 horsepower rotary screw air compressor, 3 CFM at 125 psi with 40-gallon air tank mounted, 208-230 V/60 Hz/3-phase industrial air compress system. Excellent quality. High-quality components in combination with decades of experience in building air ends ensure durability with constantly high efficiency. 1 random oil filter for free. Meet varying air quality requirements. HPDAVV compressors help drive your profitability by lowering your total cost of ownership while providing you with the performance and reliability that you have come to expect from our compressors. With benefits and advantages of larger compressed air systems in a package that fits your application and at a price you can afford. Intelligent electronic controls. Microprocessor control has simple user interface with clear and concise graphic display. Through displays essential parameters and ensures uniform operation and uninterrupted production. Design with small footprint with ease of service and reliability in mind, HPDAVV offers superior compressed air performance in a compact, modern design. A small footprint and lower noise levels mean increased installation flexibility, making the ideal for most applications. Save valuable floor space and lower your cost of operation. Load/no load control saves power to reduce energy cost and improves reliability. With automatically switches for high, low, and intermittent air consumption.
All of the items are available on Amazon.com. I have included all the link in the description. You can check out the link for latest price. Guys, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please hit the link button below, share with your friends and be sure to subscribe.